Although Motorola is still not ranked among the world's top 10 smartphone vendors, devices like the Edge and Edge Plus have certainly made waves over the last year or so with their bang for buck, substantially boosting brand awareness in key markets such as the US. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. It's obvious that the company plans to release more inexpensive 5G Android phones. Before releasing the Edge 2023 and Edge Plus 2023 in the US, the company first needs to unveil the international versions, the Edge 40 and Edge 40 Pro. You don't need an expert to figure out the company's strategy of releasing more affordable 5G-enabled Android phones. The company could announce the Edge 40 Pro flagship phone at any time, since it is expected to be practically identical to the recently released Moto X40 in China. There have been many rumors and leaks about these new phones, but the latest leak reveals full specifications for both the Edge 40 Pro and Edge 40, leaving no details to the imagination. So we may be getting an official announcement of these new affordable 5G Android phones very soon, especially for the high-end Edge 40 Pro, which is essentially just a Western version of an already existing Chinese model. The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is Motorola's upcoming flagship Android phone. According to recent leaks, it will have a 6.67-inch display with a fast 165Hz refresh rate, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. The camera system will include 3 rear cameras with a high-megapixel primary sensor. The large battery will support extremely fast 125W charging. With premium materials, the latest specs, and advanced features like the display and cameras, the Edge 40 Pro is shaping up to be a compelling yet affordable flagship phone. Though the lower resolution display may be a downgrade from some other high-end models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.